spaceship, and I wrote some words regarding this picture.
Yes, sir.
And I do think you all have copied on all these words. Did you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, here there are some animals and birds, and there is a mother, a boy, a shopkeeper.
Yes.
So we observe those all the different things in the picture. Now I am going to tell you a listening part. Just listen to me carefully. I am going to tell you about this boy. I am going to tell you about their family. Okay. Are you all ready to listen to my class?
Yes.
Okay, then I tell you something. Just be attentive. Okay. What is the name of the unit? Karate kitten.
Karate kitten.
Actually, here in the 21 page, a picture is given. A mother and a boy.
Shopping.
The mother and her son went to a pet shop and they brought something. They brought something to their home. Actually, what happened? What happened behind the situation? I am going to tell you about that. Just listen to me, okay? One day, a boy named Kiran, he was walking in a park. He was Kiran. One day, a boy called Kiran, he was walking in a park. He was walking in a park. Suddenly, he heard a sound. Kiran! Kiran! Someone was calling this boy Kiran. So, on hearing the sound, Kiran turned back and he saw his friend Rohit. Do you know? Who did he see?
Rohit.
Yes, he saw Rohit. Rohit is Kiran's friend. Who is Rohit? Yes. Hey, Rohit, you! By saying so, Kiran ran towards Rohit and hugged him. Hey, Rohit, why are you late today to this park? You are very late. What did he say? You are very late to the park. Come, let's play a game. Let's play a game, said Kiran. But Rohit said, no, Kiran, I don't want to play. I want to go my home. I want to go my home. What did they say? I want to go my home. Then Kiran said, why Rohit? Why don't you want to play a game with me? Do you have any work at your home? Yes, Raghu. Yes, Kiran. I have some work at my home. I am about to go my home. He said, I don't want to play any game right now. Please let me go. He said, what happened? What happened, Rohit? Why don't you want to play with me? Asked Kiran. He said, you know what? My father, Rohit is saying, my father, he got an injury on his head. Injury. My father has got an injury on his head. On his head. When Rohit said like that, Kiran said, what? Did your father get injury on his head? Has he met with an accident? Has he met with an accident, Rohit? Asked Kiran. He asked him, has he met with an accident? Did your father meet with an accident? Rohit, you are saying that your father has got injury on his head. What happened to your father? Did your father meet with an accident? He said, no, Kiran, that was not an accident. That was an incident. Rohit said, that was an incident. What? Was that an incident? Kiran was surprised. what happened at his home, at Rohit's home. So he wanted to know what happened at Rohit's home. So Rohit, please tell me what happened to your father. Why did he get injury on his head? No. I don't have time, Kiran. I have to go my home. All this injury because of my pet kitten. My pet kitten. When Rohit said like that, what? Your kitten? Was your kitten the reason for your injury of your father's head? Yes, Rohit. Yes, Kiran. I tell you later. My father may be waiting for me. I have to go my home, he said. After saying that, Kiran and Rohit both left the park. They went their home. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So actually, there I am going to ask some questions.
Yes.
Who was walking in the park first?
Kiran.
And someone calling Kiran.
Rohit.
Who was Rohit to Kiran?
Friend.
Yes, Kiran and Rohit were both were friends. Actually, whose father got an injury? Either Kiran's father or Rohit's father? Rohit's father. Where did Rohit's father get injury? Where? What part? On head. Very good. How? What do you think? Do you think his father, Rohit's father, met with an accident?
No.
It was an incident. So what do you think the reason for his injury? Pet. Nothing but was kitten. So I tell you in our next class how the pet was the reason for his injury. How the pet was the reason for Rohit's father's